So many leaders that tell me that they're afraid of launching a science project, and I think that that is a totally valid concern to have. And in my experience, AI does become a science project when the scope is larger than the ownership. Let me explain what that means. So most of the organizations that we work with, they have quite a broad ambition initially. So we want enterprise-wide rollout, cross-site integration, a strategic transformation, and it all sounds nice. But without clear operational ownership and a narrow testing scope, complexity quickly overwhelms the progress. How we approach this is that we always recommend to start with a de-risked, much simpler approach that have three characteristics. So one of those being one defined asset class or workflow. Most of the data needed to make an AI proof of concept should already exist, so we don't have to go out and buy new sensors from third parties or wait for perfect data. And then last but not least, one accountable owner of this proof of concept. All right, someone with the, as we say in Denmark, with the hand on the stove. And that's all. If a use case cannot be tested within one site or one mine or one process in a limited time frame, it's probably too large for a first move.